World Fisheries Day was celebrated recently at the premises of the Directorate of Fisheries in Shillong. The program that was organized by the Fisheries Department witnessed the presence of fish farmers from East KHASI Hills, Southwest KHASI Hills, West KHASI Hills, BHOI, JAIñTIA Hills, West JAIñTIA Hills and Garo Hills districts. A book that was published and prepared by the Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute, Maupon, entitled Composite Fish Culture and Biofloc Technology was also released during the celebration. Those present included Minister in charge of Fisheries Department, Meghalaya, Deputy Commissioner of East KHASI Hills, Isawanda Lalu, Secretary Fisheries Department, S.C. Sadhu, besides others. Apart from awards presented to the best fish farmer from the 6 participating districts, keys to 2-wheeler bikes equipped with an ice box each, which were funded by the PPMMSY scheme 2020-21, were handed by the Cabinet Minister to selected beneficiaries. Speaking as chief guest on the occasion, Meghalaya encouraged fish farmers to carry on with fish production as fish found in Meghalaya is of high quality. This kind of work would allow for employment of the youth and will link fisheries to tourism, Dhar added.
And today improve it. I thought Fisheries Department is a very, very tiny and small department. And really I'm telling you, my officer is always trying to make the Fisheries Department in such wonderful ways as we have seen today, as we are here in this program.